Hello guys, welcome to my channel on Tech Chronicle with Swastik. In this channel, I will going to give you the latest update regarding computer science and about the upcoming courses in my channel. Today, I will going to continue HTML full course from where I had left. Today's class agenda is in this lecture 2, that is HTML syntax. Here you will going to know about HTML syntax, and I will also explain those HTML syntax. Now coming to the HTML syntax, first it will start with uh, doc type HTML, the opening tag and closing tag is there. After that, head, opening tag and closing tag is there. Inside the head, title is there where you will give the title of the HTML. After the head closing tag, then body is there, opening tag, closing tag, where you will write the HTML syntax. After that, the end it will wait HTML closing tag. Now coming to the HTML syntax explained. Here the doc type HTML declares defined, that is document in a HTML5 document. HTML element is the root element of a HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser title bar or in the page tab. The body element defines the document body and is a container for all the visible content such as heading, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, table, list, etc. Thank you. That's all for this lecture. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel.